Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick Verano. Stock number is 18C539A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps as well as the waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior make for a very comfortable ride. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmissions here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Verano on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.